Carbohydrates. What to eat, what to avoid. That's a question many folks are asking themselves these days. If you're among the millions of Americans making an effort to eat smarter and live healthier, there's something you should know. Carbohydrates are not the enemy. On the contrary, these organic compounds are the main source of energy for the body, which makes them an essential part of every healthy diet. Now, along with proteins and fats, carbohydrates are one of the three main nutrients found in foods, and they are often grouped into two main categories, simple and complex. Simple carbohydrates consist of up to 3 units of sugar linked together. Examples include fruit sugar, otherwise known as fructose, milk sugar, lactose, and table sugar, sucrose. Simple carbohydrates are digested quickly and converted to glucose, blood sugar, immediately by the body. As a result, they can be used for energy soon after they are digested. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, include foods such as vegetables, legumes, and whole grains that are most often high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Unlike simple carbohydrates, complex carbohydrates consist of multiple sugar units linked together in chains. Now, because of their intricate nature, they are digested more slowly. This means that they are broken down into glucose at a gradual pace and thus provide a steady supply of energy for the body. Now, the high fiber content in many complex carbohydrates plays an important role in this process, as fiber helps to slow the conversion of carbohydrates into glucose. It also helps normalize blood glucose levels by slowing down the time it takes food to leave the stomach and delaying the absorption of glucose from a meal. Although complex carbohydrates are used more efficiently by the body, omitting simple carbohydrates from your diet is not necessarily the answer when you're trying to lose weight and maintain a healthy body weight. As with any weight loss plan, the phrase "everything in moderation" applies here as well. When we consume too many carbohydrates, regardless of whether they are simple or complex, the extra calories are stored as fat, which can lead to weight gain and obesity. Try instead to eat an assortment of healthy carbohydrates such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and beans. Such foods contain an abundance of fiber as well as antioxidant-rich plant compounds called phytonutrients that may help the body fight disease. At the market, opt for brown rice instead of white. Choose whole grain breads and pastas, and experiment with less familiar grains such as quinoa, teff, millet, and bulgur when preparing salads and side dishes. Foods that are best to avoid altogether include cookies, pastries, crackers, and other foods that contain high amounts of white flour and refined sugars. These highly processed foods have been stripped of much of their nutrient value. If you really want to get started on a healthy diet, try the Fiber 35 diet. It's the revolutionary way to lose weight, improve health, prevent disease, have more energy, and stay slim. For information about fiber foods, fiber supplements, and what adding fiber to your diet can actually do for your health, visit fiber35diet.com. That's fiber35diet.com.